My name is Lori Carnes, and I was recently hired at Western in the Environmental Science Department. This is a 400-level hydrology class, and this is my first class at University of Montana Western. For environmental sciences, we do a lot of field work, and I saw what it looked like in a classroom setting where you'd have 50 minutes 3 times a week, and you can't do this. And so I really got attracted to the University of Montana Western block model because it opens up partnerships with, for example, we're out with the Sagebrush Partnership today doing a hands-on stream restoration project. Last week we were able to go up to Morrison Lake and do a research project with one of the other faculty and collect groundwater samples. And the week before we were actually in Yellowstone looking at the 2022 flood damage. So we were able to do these overnight trips, these kind of longer term projects, and students are able to then learn from textbooks and readings independently on their own, and then come to class where we actually apply it. And I think this model actually feeds into hands-on experience as well as just learning the material at a deeper level. I think it's important for anyone to take a hydrology class because we are all dependent on water. And the reason we have life on this planet, the reason we live here, is because of water and the specific properties of water. So we started off this class by actually doing a group presentation where we had one group look at surface water in Beaverhead County, groundwater resources, things like evaporation. And so we had people tackling all parts of the water cycle in our place-based location. And so it gave us an idea of like what our local water resources are. And so we're all stakeholders in our water. So having an understanding where these measurements come from, what some of the errors like with that data that gets reported is coming from, and just making people care about it is going to be the path into the future so we can figure out how to manage it a little bit better so it's more sustainable for future generations.